want a Barbie dream closet, but I can't afford it. You know what? We're gonna make one out of a display board. I cut a display board in half, and we're gonna go to step by step of how we're gonna achieve a Barbie dream closet. All done. This is a 2-story Barbie closet. Let's go where you change your shoes and your hats and accessories. The TV. Just a little bit design I just put. Just a little decorative design. Barbie, her sofa right there, the pillows, the post. Let's go up the steps. And Barbie's closet. Just a rough draft. And this room right here is empty. It's going to be her studio room. Like, take pictures of my Barbie dolls. And there you have it. A 2-story Barbie closet. Let me know what you guys think of this creation. And I'll be back with another video. Bye. Please comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this. And I'll be back. Bye.